Hello everyone, this is Ritesh from Dancing with Data. So I'm Ritesh, two times Tableau ambassador and one time Power BI super user. Only want to do that. And we are here today to discuss about the world's largest or biggest data visualization competition and what are the resources, inspiration, rules and regulation about this competition. And definitely I'll take you to the best data visualization resources or free material that is already there. That can take your visualization skill to the next level. But before we move further, let me show you that how what I have created for this competition. So the theme for this very particular data visualization was game, right? Like you can see, Aaron Wiz is back. The year's qualifier theme is games. So you know that the T20 World Cup, Cricket World Cup is going on. So I thought that why not to make something on cricket only. Let me show you first my entry. After that, we'll talk about the resources that will help you. At the end, also, I will share with you my RNWiz visual, and I will keep the download button on, so you can even download that. Okay, the rise of cricket. So in this visual, I'm talking about rise of cricket. So you can see how it started, right? Cricket has been made popular all over the world. But then what was the origin, right? So it was all about British colonies, if you see, right? So it spread via British and India is included over there. So from Britain to all over the world. But the red lines that you see are the test playing nations. Today's test playing nations. It is India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, New Zealand, so forth and so on. The map that you see right now is this shows around 1821 AD. The first shot, you see that how cricket was distributed to different English colonies. So if you move further down, you can see that how it got spread. It started with the first ever test match was between England and Australia. If you hover to any of the flags over there, it will tell you about the cricket board, okay, of that very particular country. So it started with Australia, England, then South Africa was the third country to get the test match status, then West Indies, then New Zealand, then India. Then we have partition over there. So India, I mean, some of the players, it's interesting to know that some of the players played for India and Pakistan as well. And India versus Pakistan is one of the most intense rivalry that we all know. And Sri Lanka, you remember how Sri Lankan openers like Kaluvitarana and Jayasuriya shocked the world, the sort of flavor that they brought to the cricket and won the 1996 World Cup. Okay, let's move over to the rules and regulations now. Now, cricket is played by two teams, 11 players each. So you will have bowler, batsman, wicketkeeper, fielders, so forth and so on. The main objective of the batting side is to score as many runs as possible, whereas the main objective of the bowling side is to minimize the scoring option, maybe maiden over or wickets, maybe wickets. Like, okay, the USP of my visualization is the animation that I've created. For example, if you want to, means like these are the rules and regulation, it's a six. Now, what is a six? It's scored by hitting the ball past the boundary. So you can have animation, right? So I'm just putting my animation on over there. And now you can see this red ball will travel, 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 travel. And here you go. It will pass over the umpire's head and move over to the six. It's a six. Not only that, my dear friend, there is a YouTube button as well. So if you want to live the memorable World Cup event that is related to six, you can always switch over. So we are talking about here, Yuvraj Singh scored the fastest half century in T20 cricket. You remember the six sixes by Yuvraj Singh? So if you want to see that, just click on this YouTube button and you will be able to witness that. I just play the button and here you have a mini television in front of you. So that's why I have the frame of television over there, look and feel of television. And you can just go have your popcorn and enjoy the moment, have coffee, and here you go, the first six. That's great. Now if you want to switch back to the animation form, you can always make use of this off button. Similarly, there are so many memory, not so many, but like 4 or 5 memories that you will have, like four. So if you go to YouTube button, Adam Gilchrist Force, you will get all over the all is related with the World Cup. Maybe it can be 50 over or 20 over, but World Cups. Wickets that, so if you go there, you'll see Wasim Akram, 1992 final, crucial wickets, couple of wickets, back-to-back wickets. Then run out, MS Dhoni run out, you will see over there if you just go. Again, for each visual, you can play the animation as well. So it will show you that what is a run out over here. Right? For example, this one. So do you recall the run out of MS Dhoni? No, the same. And if you want to relive that movement, again, you can just press the YouTube button and you can come back to the animation as well. Okay, so this is some fun with animation, and at the end, it shows you that what is the status of cricket as far as top sporting events by viewers. This is in billion, so you can see that Cricket World Cup is like the third highest ever top sporting event by viewers with 2.6 billion viewers over there, mainly because of the South Asian community, and we have around one fifth of the global population. So that's why, with the population of over a billion people and cricket being almost like a pseudo religion in India, combined with the astounding viewership from Pakistan, England, Australia, and other nations, right? So there is no hard brainer over here. So if you're already a cricket fan, you know about big three of cricket. So you can see, because with respect to the sizes, you can get to know that England, Australia, and India, these are the big three because they generate three-fourths of the overall revenue around the globe, right? But there is a twist when it comes to India. Not a long time back, Indian board was in huge loss over there, as you can see. The revenue for the year 1992 was minus $0.075 million. So how did it change from there to the richest board in the world today? What was the turnaround? So when I was investigating, the interesting part was that the Indian board used to pay Doordarshan 6K, $6,000 per game to telecast. Means board is giving to Doordarshan instead of getting generating revenue out of that. Now board is paying to Doordarshan, that is $6,000 per game. So they fought a case and they won the case, and that was the turning point. And after that, they were allowed to sell its television right to Star TV. And today you can see, it can be Star TV, it can be Sony, so forth and so on. The other important fact of the turning point was the introduction of Indian Premier League, which is the most watched cricket league in the world. So that was the other turning point, and mainly you can say we are in the year two. We started with 1821, around 200 years back, and today we are in the year 2022, and India is the cricketing world main economic hub. The IPL television right and the country's devoted supporters with growing purchasing power. Remember, growing purchasing power were major turning points for Indian cricket. Now, cricket did indeed spread throughout England colonies, because of England colonies. But today, India is the main cash cow, and BCCI, the Indian board, should be credited for it. Now that's the visualization for you that I have submitted. I hope it was informative and you liked it. And this visualization link will be there at my YouTube description, so you can just go and download this as well. Now coming back, so if you want to participate in such competition, what are the resources, free resources that you can check or you should check? So let's go to that page, and that page link will also be there at the description. Now this is the one-stop shop for all your visualization related content, where it shows and what is RNViz and all that is okay, that I have already told you. How to enter it is okay. These are the four-step: download Tableau desktop, create a visualization that I created, get the data and submit your visualization. So that's okay, but where is the content resource? So you can come to this place, contestant resources, and you'll get a ton of resources over there. For example, create compelling RNViz qualifier entry in 10 steps, or blogspot related to RNViz, tips and tricks, some of the videos over there, how to save views. So maybe 8 resources to jumpstart your RNViz entry. If I just go over there and say get started, first it will start with informative videos from the RNViz champions over there, and after that it will take you to the data sets over there. Not sure where to get the data set, so where you should get the data set, Tableau Public has long list of data sets. So you click over there, Kaggle, community run project. So you get a ton of useful data sets over there. Also, it will show you to the path from where you can, download because these are free images, right? So you have to be pretty sure about the images that you are downloading and putting in your dashboard, because those should be free, Otherwise, there will be some copyright issues over there, right? There are some other fantabulous blogs over there. Is your entry accessible? So just go over there and read those blogs over there. You can see there is some open resource, pretty cool resources over there. For example, this what's chartability, right? What is chartability? So you can, what is data visualization? So you get a lot of free resources over there. So you have some latest work, latest version of chartability lives at this link. So have a downloadable Microsoft Word version of chartability workbook. So you have got a lot of free stuffs over there. Free, but not cheap. It's really high quality stuff over there. So at the end, I would only say that if you find this video informative, press the like button, share this video with others. Find it useful. I do have a Power BI channel as well, so that link will be there at the description as well. And definitely you are going to get all the links along with my visualization, RNVS visualization, my entry at the description. So this is Ritesh signing off from Dancing with Data. Keep on dancing with data because fans of data should know how to have fun with data. Bye bye.